Hello friends, I am Brij Kishore Sharma Tara from Rajnandgoan, Chhattisgarh, India, and today in my science series I present for you my new item for your kind observation as well as a little entertainment. I do not claim to explain any detailed specification regarding this camera. My presentation is meant only for a kind of general knowledge regarding these types of cameras because they are no longer produced and used. This is my Aikon Neo 2 35mm non-reflex film roll camera. This camera was manufactured in People's Republic of China. A very good model this is, as you can see for yourself. This is viewfinder. And flash, viewfinder from the front side, and behind this wicket is lens. This is battery chamber. Here are inserted two pencil cells with the capacity of 3 volts. You can see here printed made in China. And to open the camera we have to press this knob upside. A very good camera, as you can witness. A very fine finishing without any dust, any defect. This is film cartridge chamber, and this one is shutter and lens chamber, and this third is meant for motor, which is enclosed inside this drum. When this knob is pressed, 3 actions take place simultaneously. First, the film emerges from the cartridge and moves forward. Second, it passes through this serrated wheel, and this wheel is connected with the shutter, and as soon as the film has crossed the desired length, the shutter is on and shot taken. And the third action is the film is wound in this drum. First action, second action, and third action. Film emerging from the cartridge, running through the shuttle chamber over the serrated wheel, and third winding in this drum. In this way, any shot is taken. When all 36 shots have been taken, Then this switch is pressed this side, which makes the motor run backward and the film goes back to the cartridge, and this cartridge is then taken to the film studio for processing. And you can see a LED bulb here. It is a kind of indicator when we have to take shot, and the lens wicket is opened, then this red light is on, which indicates that the camera is ready to take shot. Well friends, I hope that my humble presentation must have been of a little interest to you. Thank you for watching.